Okay, so mood, as we talked about, is how you feel when you read something, and tone is how the author feels about their topic. So I just pulled up a tweet because you can do this pretty simply. So 5-year old, I'm hungry. Me lists 100 different things she could eat. 5-year old, anything else? So when we're looking for tone, we're going to look for dialogue. We're going to look for characters. We're going to look at word choice to describe the situation, like the plot. So those are things we're going to look at. So the plot here is 5-year-old's hungry and won't take any suggestions. And the dialogue is, so lists 100 different things she could eat, anything else. We could see this as being sarcastic. We could see this as being frustrated just because of the the tone, their how they feel about. So list 100 different things she could eat. There's like that sense of frustration in the exaggeration of 100. I'm sure they didn't list 100, so they're kind of exaggerating. And the 5-year-old's just really blunt, short, so that could be really frustrating. But if you kind of aren't sure, a good thing is to sorry, I should have had these already pulled up, but we will find them. So in the stereotypes lesson, I've got, nope. Well, that's fine. It's, I remember, it's in this lesson. Woo! Miss Stevens is killing it. It's in this one. They're down here. Okay, so if we're looking at tone words, you can pull up this PDF I attached. And so it's positive tone words or negative. I definitely know it's negative because it's kind of like sarcastic, frustrated, annoyed. So I can just look through different ideas. Ambivalent, angry, annoyed. These are all good. Those are good. Let's see. Biting or bitter, I think could apply as well. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with annoyed, and I also kind of like bitter just because of the exaggeration, obviously, like, and they tweeted about it, so it's like obviously they're not just annoyed, they're like very annoyed. So I'm gonna say the tone is bitter and annoyed for the tweet. But now looking at the mood, how do I feel reading it? I would definitely say I feel like it's relatable. It's funny because this is, and anything else is kind of like a twist ending or like a punchline of sorts. But again, you can do the same thing. You can pull up this mood words document, and it's a similar thing, positive and negative. I would say it's positive. I feel amused, cheerful, definitely none of those. Surprised, maybe. Um, let's go with, I like playful a lot. I like playful, and yeah, let's go with playful. I think that's a good one because clearly they know it's kind of a joke because it's a tweet. So I'm gonna say I feel really playful. It's funny. You're like making jokes about your kids, putting it on Twitter. So that's how I feel reading it. So we've got the tone. The author's kind of annoyed and bitter, but the way they put it together gives a playful, cheerful effect for readers. So that's mood and tone.